Are you making your decisions or your fear? If your decisions are only driven by fear, you must listen to the story of Kunti. Kunti, the adopted daughter of King Kunti Bhoja, the mother of Pandavas and Karna, is one of the most important characters of the great Hindu epic Mahabharata. She was a beautiful and courageous woman who was born to King Surasena and was originally known as Pritha. She was the sister of Vasudev, Lord Krishna's father. But Pritha's life was short as Kunti took over this beautiful girl. Since King Kunti Bhoja was childless, King Surasena gave Pritha to King Kunti Bhoja, and that's how Pritha became Kunti. Once, sage Durvasa visited Kunti Bhoj and he was impressed with Kunti's hospitality. So he gave her a mantra with which she can invoke any god and bear their child. Kunti was very happy and excited. So, in complete innocence, she went on to test the mantra and invoke the sun god. Suddenly, her innocence was taken over by fear because the sun god gave her a child, Karna, with Kavach and Kundal, the golden armor and earrings. The fear of shame took over Kunti and she abandoned the child in the waters of Ganga. This one decision of Kunti, taken with fear, changed the entire course of Karna's life. Karna was then raised by a charioteer, Adhirath and Radha. Even after being born as a Kshatriya, Karna had to lead a life of a Suta because of Kunti's one decision that was driven by fear. But do you think Kunti could have changed her decision? Share in the comments below. Well, fate brought Kunti and Karna face to face when Karna was an adult. Here, Kunti could have revealed her secret and made Karna's life a little easier, but again, fear captured her so badly that she kept quiet. Ultimately, it was time for the Kurukshetra war, and Kunti wanted to protect all her sons, so she finally revealed her secret to Karna. But was it of any use to Karna? Just before the war, this big revelation shattered Karna emotionally. He was stuck in between. On one end, he cannot betray his friend Duryodhan, who gave everything he has today. And on the other end, he has to fight with his own brothers, the Pandavas. However, he decided to value his friendship and accepted his fate. But he knew that this was his end, and he accepted his death with a big smile. Perhaps that's what you call a warrior. Let's think for a moment that if Kunti would have accepted Karna in his adolescence, Karna's life would have been much different from what he actually went through. Karna's life was an existential crisis only because of Kunti's decisions that were driven by fear. What do you think about it? Share in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to The Sacred Chapters.